Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize size of the actual page in Canva. So by this, I am talking about the project that you're working on, like the actual design, like the format of the design. You can customize it. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. This is the home page, so let's go to customize size. You can literally see the option that says customize size. Let's tap in there. So this is where you can type in all the width, height, units, how many you want. So let's go to the width and type in 13 maybe, or I don't know, YouTube thumbnail is like 1280 by 720. That means, all right, I think I'm gonna do 1000 by, all right, 1000 by 1000, or maybe 500. All right, let's go to create design, and there you go. This is my customized size. It's a bit like vertical one. If you want to do a portrait one, you can simply change the sizing. All right, so this is how you create size. If you are not satisfied, let's go back and let's go to the same thing, and let's type in a bit like 1000 by 1000 maybe. Create a design like 1000 by 1000 square. Okay, I think I can work on this. So this is how you customize sizes on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.